We are hopeful. I have initiated discussions with the Bhagwan Mahavir Viklang Sahayata Samiti, and we are moving forward. We are even in touch with the ministry to take this forward. What is going to happen as a result of this is, as you are aware, you must have heard of the Jaipur foot. This is the appliances they give for amputees, artificial limbs, so to say. So I am in touch with the Sahayata Samiti, or the the NGO that makes these appliances, and they have agreed to establish a laboratory here, fabrication unit in Neighrims, which will give free artificial limbs to all the amputees of the region, provided they go through the Department of Orthopedics here in Neighrims. So we are in the final stages of completion of this particular deal. If it goes through, we will have artificial limbs being distributed free of cost to all the people of the region, because we do see 3 to 4 amputations per month. So this would be a boon for the entire region, because these appliances can be very expensive. Also, I am planning to increase the capacity for dialysis. So we are in touch for establishment of 20 odd, installation of 20 odd units of dialysis machines, which will increase our capacity, and also in the number of technicians, etc., to help run those machines under the Department of Medicine here. In addition, we are also working on a PPP model to get hold of a PET scan for the regional cancer center, and once that comes through, people will not have to go to Guwahati or travel far for PET scanning, imaging, and that will be offered at CGHS rates to our patients here, and to those in various health schemes, it will be covered by the cashless schemes.